Are you in the market for a high-value commercial property? Before you close on that next big acquisition, how sure are you of the building's real condition? Office buildings may promise steady rental income and long-term appreciation, but hidden risk can turn your investment upside down. At the Real Estate Inspection Company, our CCPIA certified inspectors help you see the full picture, so you can invest with total confidence. Take this recent case. An investor's team was eyeing a $16 million four-story multi-tenant office building here in San Diego County. But with tight escrow timelines and active tenants, they needed answers fast. Our team stepped in with a full commercial inspection. Following the gold standard commercial SOPs, we assessed every major system, structural area, and safety concern. Here's what we found. Vegetation touching exterior walls, posing moisture and pest risks. Rooftop HVAC units nearing end of life, signaling major future expenses. Moisture intrusion in the subterranean parking garage, raising safety and structural alarms. An inoperable elevator, potentially delaying occupancy and increasing liability. Failing balcony waterproofing, demanding professional remediation. We delivered all findings the very next day, clearly prioritized so the team could separate what needed fixing now from what to plan for later. The result? Our report helped the investors' team secure a $500,000 capital reserve, negotiate the purchase price, and keep the deal on track, all while satisfying lender requirements and keeping tenants safe. Because with the right inspection, every risk becomes an opportunity to negotiate, plan, and win. Whether you're an investor, broker, or lender, don't roll the dice on your next deal. Trust the Real Estate Inspection Company for fast, thorough, negotiation-ready commercial assessments. And protect your next office building acquisition with absolute confidence. Schedule your commercial property assessment today. The right inspection makes all the difference.